वेलकम टू लर्निंग हब। आज हम देखेंगे इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म का एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो कि Dbatu 2023 और 2024 एग्जामिनेशंस में पूछा गया था। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। बाय यूजिंग पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन एक्सपेंशन टू फाइंड इनवर्स लैप्लास ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ f of s is equal to s upon s square plus 1 and s square plus 4. So let's start. Let f bar of s is equal to s upon first bracket is s square plus 1 and second is s square plus 4. So, by using partial fraction method, okay, here the factors are, how are the factors? They are distinct and quadratic, okay, because here is square, s square, so these are quadratic and distinct factors, distinct and quadratic, okay. Now we can write it as s upon s square plus 1 and s square plus 4 is equal to, according to the formula, first we'll consider as plus b upon this first term s square plus 1 plus cs plus d for the second term s square plus 4, and we will name this equation as equation star, okay. Now we can write it as s square plus 1 s square plus 4 is equal to, see here we have to make the denominator same as compared to this term, okay. So हमें क्या adjustment करना पड़ेगा? We have to multiply and divide s square plus 4 in the first term and we have to multiply and divide s square plus 1 in the second term. So we will get s square plus 4 into this term as it is as plus b upon, here also it becomes s square plus 1 into s square plus 4, as we have made the adjustments in the numerator and denominator to make this LHS and RHS part equal at the denominator. Here also similarly we will take this first term as it is and s square plus 1 at the numerator as well as at the denominator. Now what we will do in next step is we will cancel out this with this part as it is in equality with each other. So this part will get cancelled with this part, okay. So now we can write it as s is equal to s square plus 4 as plus b plus cs plus d s square plus 1. S is equal to, we will make here bracket multiplications. We can write it as as multiply with this first bracket s square plus 4 plus again b multiply with this bracket s square plus 4. Similarly here also cs into s square plus 1, then another term that is d into s square plus 1. Now s is equal to as into s square is as cube plus as into 4 is 4as plus b into s square is bs square plus 4 into b 4b plus cs into s square is cs cube plus cs into 1 is cs plus d into s square is ds square plus d into 1 is d, okay. Now s is equal to, now we will take the similar variables at the same part, okay. So now first find for s cube. So what are the similar constants for a variable s cube? That is a and c plus c, okay. Now we will find for s square. S square कहाँ कहाँ आया है? यहाँ b के साथ एक बार आया है और d के साथ. We'll add that. Now for s we'll take the similar variables at one part, okay. So now for s, 4a over here and plus c over here, and will constant term we will write as it is, that is 4b and here d, okay. Now what we will do is equating the coefficients of s on both sides. ओके, नाउ हम क्या करेंगे, दोनों साइड्स के s के कोएफिशिएंट्स कंपेयर करेंगे. नाउ हियर देयर इज s क्यूब. यहाँ इस साइड पे s क्यूब है क्या? नहीं है. सो वी विल राइट इट एज दिस टर्म a plus c is equal to 0. Okay, we can also write this as a is equal to minus c and we will name it as 1. Okay, now next, here in the LHS part, is there s square? No. So here b plus d is equal to 0 as there is no s square term present at the LHS part. So we can write it as b is equal to minus d and we will name it as equation 2. Now what will compare? The terms left with the variable s. इस साइड पे s है, yes. Then we will compare this. We will get, but what is the constant term with the variable s? That is 1. So 4a from here, 4a plus c is equal to 1 because we are comparing the coefficients of s from both the sides. Okay, so this is equation number 3. Now 4b plus d, this is a constant part, and at the LHS part there is no constant term, so we'll mention it as 0. This is equation number 4. अब हम क्या करेंगे, put equation 1 in equation 3. Okay, we'll put this 1 into this equation 3. We will get 4 in place of a. What we will put? What is the value of a here? Minus c. So minus c plus this c as it is equal to 1. We will get minus 4c plus c is equal to 1. That is minus 4c plus c is minus 3c is equal to 1. Then the value of c is equal to minus this side 1 by 3. Now we have found the value of c. Now put this value of c in equation 1 to find the value of a. So we will get a is equal to minus c. But here the value of c is already in minus. So minus minus will get cancelled. We will get the value of a is 1 by 3. Now put equation 2 in equation 4. So what is our equation 2? B is equal to minus d. Put this value of b in equation 4. We will get 4. In place of b, we will put minus d plus d is equal to 0. We can write it as minus 4d plus d is equal to 0. We'll get minus 4d plus d is minus 3d is equal to 0. Anything at the denominator of 0 is 0 itself. So the value of d we got is 0. Now we have to find the value of b. Put the value of d in equation number 2. We will get b is equal to 0 only because the value of d is 0. So now we'll put the values of a, b, c and d in equation number star, which we got at first. Okay, so what is that equation? S upon s square plus 1 s square plus 4, okay, is equal to as plus b. Now what is the value of a we got is 1 by 3. S plus b is 0 upon s square plus 1. Here plus what is the value of c we got is minus 1 by 3 into s plus the value of d is 0 upon s square plus 4. I'll write here, put a, b, c, d values in equation star, okay, to understand better. So now we can write this as 1 by, can we take this 3 at the denominator? Yes. S square plus 1, here s plus, here minus 1 by 3 s square plus 4, here s, okay. Now we will get s upon 3 s square plus 1 plus minus will become minus s upon s square plus 4. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll take the inverse Laplace transform on both the sides. So we will get inverse Laplace transform of s upon s square plus 1 s square plus 4 is equal to this 1 by 3 will take outside, inverse Laplace of s by s square plus 1, and here also minus 1 by 3 will come outside. Inverse Laplace of s by s square plus 4. What is the inverse Laplace of s by s square plus a square? According to the formula, it is cos at. So comparing this formula with these two terms, we will get this 1 by 3 as it is. Inverse Laplace of s by s square plus 1 is cos t, because the value of a is 1, minus this 1 by 3 as it is. Inverse Laplace of s by s square plus 4 is cos 2t, because the value of a is 2. Okay, so here we will take 1 by 3 common out. We'll get cos t minus cos 2t as our final solution. Thank you for watching.